romancer. You may be a fantastic dancer. You may be a lively conversationalist. But what happens at the end of the evening when the time comes to show how you feel? Unless you can kiss with confidence, all your fancy dressing, dancing, and talking won't get you a second date.
I'd meet a boy I really liked. I'd start to win his heart. Come the time to kiss goodnight, I always fell apart. I'd giggle like I had no brains, or else I'd start to cough. I thought my perspiration stains would turn a fellow off. She was nervous, she was too shy, she was breathless, lips were too dry, hands were shaking, didn't know why.
Do you want to kiss this person? Then be honest. What is keeping you from kissing with confidence? Worries. Some of them can be put to rest if you ask yourself a few simple questions before kissing. Is your breath fresh? Do you have spinach on your teeth? Is your deodorant strong enough? You may also find yourself worrying about what will happen once you are in the act of kissing. Will your stomach growl? Will your braces lock? Will you be able to prolong the kiss and still breathe?
Will I spoil it with my overbite? Will our noses blow in the moonlight? When our lips meet, will they fit right?
These worries are best cleared from the mind by the romance chant method, a technique which will also place your lips naturally in kissing position.
Háblame único del mundo. Dígame cómo te hace ese sonido tan glorioso que una hora con anticipación de él mi erudición vestía, gruyendo, entusiasmándose y palpitando.
Practice this chant in the morning as you rise, in the evening as you retire, and just before a date.
Put an end to worrying. I learned the way from Will. He showed me kissing with confidence is an acquired skill. When my boyfriends get too hot, I can cool them down. Now I'm kissing with confidence everywhere in town, in the school.